What's up guys, and welcome to the Detailing Workshop. So I am happy to announce that we are going to be having an online training class teaching you how to schedule your detailing customers using Square Appointments and JotForm. So if you guys are interested, I know that some of you have been waiting for this. I have the link down below. The date is going to be September. The date is going to be Saturday, October 29th at 3 p.m. So that's a Saturday at 3 p.m. And I chose that time because I want to try to accommodate as many people as possible. So I hope that weekend time slot works for you. If it does, and if you're interested in that online training course, I have the link down below. So I'm going to cap it at 20 students max. It's also going to be up to 2 hours long. So if I can get everything covered in an hour, hour and a half, great. But if I need to take up to 2 hours, then I'll do so. It's only $100 for that 2 hours. So this is going to be a private Zoom class, which means it's not going to be on Facebook or YouTube or anything like that. This is specifically for people who want that type of information. So if you are a new and upcoming detailer and you want to learn how to use Square Appointments, I'm going to be going over all of the points and all of the things that we have learned over the years using that Square Appointments app. It's actually very, very powerful, and it's more affordable than any other detailing CRM out there. And it's not a detail-specific CRM either. However, I've customized it to work for me, and I think it'll work for you guys. Now, of course, I'm not a Square representative, and I don't know everything about that Square platform, but I will teach you what I use and what I know. There are some things on there that we don't use because we just don't need to, but I will teach you what we use and how to really streamline your customers, all of your invoices, your estimates, and everything else. There's a lot that goes into it. Now, I use jotform.com for my customer acknowledgement form, and if you've heard me talk about that, you can actually download that free form on our website as well. But I'll show you how to use JotForm because it is way easier, and you can actually add a lot of cool special things to that JotForm to really customize it to what you want. So once again, guys, I have the links down below if you're interested in that training course, and we'll see you there.